так выглядит. Это огромная махина внутри. Рабочая машина. Иллюминатор. Все, что нужно сделать. Здесь очень много народу с детьми заходит. Детям, конечно же, интересно посмотреть на все это, пощупать везде все, покрутить, может быть, что-то. Джон, что, go?
You want to sit in driver's seat?
No, maybe.
Okay, this line. Don't go here.
Okay.
Okay.
Да, вот Джон предлагает мне еще пройти в кабину и сесть в кабине и порулить там чуть-чуть.
So y'all do a lot of loading and stuff?
Yes.
What's the heaviest thing you guys can pick up and move?
Heaviest thing, 2 Humvees.
You don't pick up the CH-46 crash bodies?
No, we did one time pick up a Monty crash helicopter. That was online, so we can probably pick up. Actually, if we take everything off this bird and we strip it clean, we can actually pick up our own bird.
What is it?
This bird is fully loaded.
Straps, tie down, straps.
69,000.
Equipment.
Никакой обшивки внутри вообще. Причем пахнет машинным маслом.
Martin's talking to some other...
Yeah, make sure to notice your video. Excuse me. When was it built? 84, 85, something like that. It's a little bit old. Yeah, older. But she still works. She still flies perfectly fine.
The senior okay here?
You do okay now. American technology. That's what it's indeed.
Layer away. Wait right here. Layer away. Gary!
Gary stops and does a bit of a tail slide.
There we go. And this is a spacious cockpit.
Are you one of the pilots?
Yep. I flew this down yesterday from Norfolk.
Norfolk?
Yep.
Okay, my dad was stationed in Norfolk.
Yeah. You're in the Navy. You were probably stationed there one time.
Yep.
So you're in the MH-53, so the world's second largest helicopter. 70,000 max pounds gross weight, 20,000 pounds of fuel, which is more than that 60 weighs sitting over there. We have 3 engines, so you can kind of see 3 of everything here for each of the engines. So here's how we control the engines. Kind of everything down here is your navigation, communication stuff, some system stuff. Right in front of you, you see basically everything doubled up. This kind of tells you your node attitude right here, your airspeed, your direction, kind of where you're pointed, how fast you're going, all those sort of things. Well, the kids like to ask, do you touch every single switch? Yep, every single switch has a function. But you know, the cockpit shrinks down pretty quick.
Very good. Very wonderful. Wonderful.
Yep. Old school aircraft. A lot of all the new aircraft. You go over and look at that EC-135 or the 60 over here. It's all glass and,
Yep.
and
Digital.
computers and
Yep.
digital. No digital here. Well, a little bit of digital, but that's just radio.
My dad used to work after he got out of the Navy. He worked at the FAA at the airport. Teletypes. Teletypes and grease and mechanical.
Yep.
Amazing.
Nope, it's all digital.